Isn't it weird that teachers feel really exhausted just before Easter and then a hell of a lot more anxious towards the end? Like, what's the point in even going on break? And no, it's not weird if you think about it. Just before Easter, literally your body is done. You've been running on adrenaline since January. Deadlines, behaviour, pressure, observations, Ofsted. And then Easter hits and you can finally slow down. You sleep more, you can breathe more, if you have kids or not. But here's the problem. Your nervous system literally comes out of survival mode. And that's exactly when exhaustion hits. That's why you get sick on literally the first or the second day of Easter or any other holiday. So fatigue hits. A lot of people think it's laziness, but it's not. It's literally you're knackered. Basically, burnout has literally caught up with you. Around 78% of teachers report being really stressed at work. Have a look at this. Teacher Wellbeing Index 2025 shows that education staff wellbeing has dropped to its lowest since 2019. Let's keep scrolling. So Daniel Cleve just there. There's some research on it. Teachers and school leaders are overworked, under-supported and increasingly exposed to stress. Tick, agreed. Anxiety and burnout. Tick, tick. No wonder there is a significant retention issue in the education workforce. Who'd have thought? This is a system in crisis. Could not agree more. 78% of education staff are stressed and more than 3 have experienced mental health issues in the past academic year. 84% of senior leaders report high stress and 77% of staff experience symptoms of poor mental health caused by their work. And we haven't even got to the end of Easter where teachers literally experience back to school anxiety. And for those idiots and morons and quite frankly bellends that say that, oh, you've got 2 weeks off, you can do whatever you like, it's great. Well, no, because in that time teachers are working for free and people say it's a pro rata, it's spread throughout the year. Fuck off. No, it's not. It's not. Okay, do the maths. We're literally working for free, marking over, I don't know, 500 books or something depending on mocks, marking mock papers as well. I forgot about that. You've got to plan for the next term. You've got to do your schemes of work. You've got to do your curriculum. So this is what it is, okay, everybody? You've got your big massive curriculum. Then you've got your scheme of works that you have to plan for specifically. Then you've got your termly plans. And then you've got your weekly plans. And then you've got your lesson plans. And then you've got the activities in there. And throughout that, you've actually got to differentiate, if you know what that means, please research it, differentiate the class to a bunch of different kids that have specific needs. And there could be anywhere between 3 types of those or 30 types of those. Are you getting the message? So before any teachers think, oh, I'm not good enough, I'm rubbish at teaching, you're not. It's a system problem, not a you problem. And believe me, you're not weak for thinking this. How do I know? Well, I was a teacher for 12 years, teaching science and PE, head of department, and I was exhausted, underpaid, undervalued. Society, even back then, was belittling teachers, the education space. Always seemed to be parents versus teachers. It's like, what the fuck? So if you are new to me, new to this channel, then you've just heard that I left the education system over 11 years ago. If you are a teacher and you don't want to let your skills go to waste and you actually want to make more of an impact, you want to spend more time with your family, you don't want to suffer from burnout, you don't want to have back to school anxiety, and frankly, you want to get paid more for what you do, then why don't you consider being a life coach for kids? I've been doing that for the past 11 years. So if you want a guide of how to do that, just drop me a DM saying kid coach. It's just there, kid coach, and I'll show you exactly the steps that I took. There's actually 18, there's actually more than 18, but there's 18 steps that I took to leave the education system all those years ago. If you're interested, I'd love to hear from you. Or you can say Zach gives you off the rest of your life, your choice.